Wow, let me share my experience with you. How I dealt with overeating. It was terrible experience. For how many months now? I've been battling with overeating with my Kubota 3-cylinder engine. But now I have won. I am a winner. I would like to share my experience with you so that you can do similar thing if you face similar situation. Let's go down straight to the point. My Kubota engine, 3-cylinder engine, has been giving me sleepless nights with overheating. I've done all I know, made several research, I've changed the water pump, changed the top gaskets several times, resurfaced my top cylinder, virtually everything, replaced the radiator, yet overeating persists. So what will I do? I think, I'm tired of thinking. Then I zoom into an action and I did something. Let me show what I did with you. As you can see, those are the two hoses. I removed my radiator, I removed my fan, then I put water drum. The upper hose is the return, while the down hose is the supply. That is what I did, and since then, bye to overeating. I still maintain my water pump. My water pump is there. You can see my drum. This is the drum. You can see the upper hose there is the return, while the down hose is supply. I fill the drum with coolant. Then the coolant with the help of gravity, it goes straight into the engine, and with the help of my water pump push it out right to my drum. And since then, boom, no overeating again. I've changed roughly about 12 top gaskets, but now nothing like that. My engine has been working perfectly. I don't experience overeating again. If you have similar thing, you can do the similar thing. As you can see, the heat dissipating to the atmosphere, that shows that my engine is running cool, very cool. In fact, if you touch the engine body after working for so many hours, you see the temperature is still normal. That shows that my method or my construction is 100% accurate. You can see I raised the drum a bit from the ground so that it can give me gravity. With that gravity, it can push the water right to the engine, and with the help of water pump, you return it back to the drum. That is what I did. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is how I talk about diesel engine, and this is my experience today. This is what I want to share with you. Go to the comment section, tell me what you notice about my construction. If you like it, and score me. If it's 100, 20, 30, subscribe. See you in my next video.